When you joined Keller Williams Realty, you were asked to name the one person who was primarily responsible for bringing you to the company. It may not have been the first person or the last person you talked to about Keller Williams. It was the person who was most impactful on your decision-making process. That person was your sponsor. Your sponsor was asked the same question when they joined. They named the one person who was most impactful on their decision-making process to join the company. That person is your sponsor's sponsor. Just like a family tree, we can trace sponsors in the profit-sharing tree back many levels. Currently, the profit share system goes back 7 levels. When someone names you as their sponsor, they go into your first level. Then if someone names one of those people as a sponsor, they go into your second level. Though there are 7 levels to the profit-sharing tree, you can only focus on developing the first level. However, if you wanted to get purposeful about it, you could certainly encourage people in your first level to develop their own first level. Why not get started now? As the Chinese proverb states, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.